It's definitely different. Everything that's just going on. Never dealt with anything like that before. Tyler McKinney, work at TSW, and I'm starting to run the reclaimer. I never knew that was a thing until he showed up. And then same thing with the mud weight and the sand content. Had no idea how big and effective that was to the drill and the reclaimer itself. Dawson still showed me how to do it the proper way and how to get it done.
Tell me about Dawson. You said you like Dawson.
Yeah, Dawson. It was very different working with Dawson. I haven't worked with a lot of owners' family that actually works. He never stopped. He was go the whole time he was here, and he wasn't just here to teach, he was here to work too, so it was very different. Definitely the biggest rig that I've ever seen and been around. It's definitely a lot different on that aspect too, not having a basket to load the rods or anything like that. It's been great. I've worked at all complete different companies. This is the first company that I've worked at that does bigger stuff. All the other companies I worked at just did communication and like 1.25 up to 4-inch pipe, versus here, I mean, 36-inch, 30-inch, 20-inch. I'd say go join a trade unless you have your plan sought out. Might as well learn a trade. I feel like everybody needs to know a trade.